Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel e-learning arena. I'm your host process engineer Syed Waqas Haider. In today's tutorial video I'm going to tell you that how you can size a compressor of Ariel machine. So Ariel sizing compressor sizing tool is available on Ariel website. It is a free sizing tool. So first of all, when you open the Ariel compressor sizing tool, you will see this initial window. You will have to click the new run. This is the first tab. It is related to the project information. You can skip it. You can also enter the units of your choice, or you can directly go to the service or stage data tab. So here first of all you have to select the composition. You can also use the built-in field gas composition, or you can go to the analysis tab and select any of the available built-in gases, or you can select the custom and then you can enter the required composition, or else you can use the specific gravity of your gas as well. If you want to enter the uh, composition of your gas, you have to uncheck this first, and then you can go to the analysis, select the custom one, and then you can enter the exact composition of your requirement. Or otherwise, if you don't want to enter the full composition, you can enter the specific gravity and humidity of your gas. So after entering this, you can name the case. So let's say I'm using an arbitrary case where I have to compress the a gas with 150 to 750 psig of 20 mmscfd gas. So first you have to enter the inlet pressure, which is, in my case, I'm going to select 150, and the required or the target flow is, in my case, it is 20. And then you can enter the pressure loss between the stages. Here it is already written as 1%, so I'm not going to change it. And then again the inlet temperature, I'm going to assume it is 110, and then the required discharge pressure, in my case I'm going to select 750. So when I click the recommend stages, it has recommended me a 2-stage machine, so I'm going to select it. Now after entering the required data in this tab, you can go to the flame and cylinder data. So first of all you have to select the frame for your compressor. So these are the available compressors. So let's say I'm going to select the KBD2. KBD2 means it would have two throws. So I'm going to select this KBD2, which has two throws, and it has the stroke length of 6, and then rated RPM of 1200 and rated BHP of 2400. So I'm going to select this frame. So this frame has been selected. Now I have to select two throws as well with this machine. So this would be this stage 1 and stage 2. First of all, I have to select the stage 1 cylinder. So in my experience, I think 15 would be. So here you can see that as this machine has to handle the 20 mmscfd I have entered in the first stage, in the first tab. Here every cylinder has the every cylinder the capability of that flow is mentioned here. So for example 17 is able to deliver you 20 mmscfd flow. So I'm going to select this one, 20 17 70 20 with the bore size of 17.3. So double click it and your first stage cylinder has been selected. Now I have to select the second stage, second cylinder. So again the recommended here it is 11, so because our flow is 20. So I'm going to select this cylinder. Now both of our cylinders are selected. So first stage has 17-inch cylinder and the second stage has 11-inch cylinder. Now after selecting this, we have to select the driver as well. Now there are different drivers manufacturers list is available. For example, Caterpillar is available, Waukesha is available, Wärtsilä is available. So depending upon the frame, you have to select a machine which is capable to deliver the required 2400 barrels bhp. And while selecting the driver, it must be noted that the driver must not exceed the rated RPM of frame, which in our case it is 1200. So I am going to select a machine which has a rated RPM of 1000. So here for example I can select this Caterpillar 1000 RPM and 2445 rated bhp. So I am going to select this. Is it not selected or what? Let's again 24. Yes, it has been selected now, I think. Yes. So this Caterpillar has been selected. Okay, we have to select a bhp which is less than 24. So let's again select a driver which is less than 2400 rated bhp. So let's select a machine with, let's select this one. This Caterpillar machine has maximum rated RPM of 1000 and maximum rated bhp of 2065, which is less than the selected frame. So I'm going to double click it and then click OK. Now we are fine now. So after selecting the driver, you can click this arrow here and you can select that what derating percentage that you are anticipating. So if in our case, for example, it is a very new Caterpillar machine engine, and so we may not expect any derating. And again the auxiliary, so let's assume the auxiliary load is 120 horsepower and the rated RPM is 1000. So let's assume that we are going to run this machine at 900 RPM. After entering this data, you can enter this performance tab to generate the detailed report. So this is the detailed report of the machine selected. So if anything bold in red color is written here, it means there is an error. So here it is suggesting that it can be improved, but that's not an issue. So this is, look here, it is written that if anything written in red color and bold here, then it's mean that your machine is not is performing out of the limit, and you have to relook your entered conditions. And if it is italic and blue color, then it's mean that something special requirement is there. Or and then in the last, if the message is written in bold and green color, so the user must review the conditions. We are Because here it is in green and the message is improvement opportunity, it's mean that you can improve the opportunity, you can improve your performance of machine. So in our case, that's okay here. So this is the result. So this is the end of tutorial. I hope you find it very helpful, and if you find it very helpful, please like this video and share with your colleagues, your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.